Okay, what if I told you there's an AI company out there that's already hit a $100 million valuation, got 3 million users in just 2 months, and is growing faster than early Instagram, but you've probably never even heard of it? Well, today we are pulling back the curtain on that company, Agnes AI.
Just think about your own workflow for a second. You're probably bouncing between Google for research, then maybe Canva for design, and then you're spending hours in PowerPoint or Keynote building a presentation slide by slide. It's all over the place, and it takes forever.
Well, that is the exact problem Agnes AI was built to solve. It's this all-in-one AI workspace that's designed to handle pretty much everything, from that deep research dive to building a professional presentation, all from one single place.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll take a tour of this AI toolbox, peek under the hood at the tech that makes it all work, we'll unpack its absolutely incredible growth story, and then look at its massive vision to become the next AI-native social network.
Okay, let's dive right in and see what this thing can actually do. It basically streamlines your whole creative process with 4 main features.
So it all starts with search. But listen, this is not your typical search engine. This is about getting you answers, not just a long list of links. See, unlike a normal search that just dumps links on you, Agnes actually gives you answers. It scans the best sources online and then instantly gives you a clean, organized summary. It just cuts out hours of that manual scrolling and gets you straight to what you need to know.
But what if you need to go, a little deeper than just a quick summary? Well, that's where the research feature comes in.
And the way it does this is really interesting. You can do a deep dive on one topic, where the AI actually shows you its step-by-step process. Or you can do a wide search. This thing uses over 100 AI agents to create these full comparison tables, which is, perfect for things like market research or academic reports. Okay, so you've done your research. Now you gotta present it. And for a lot of us, this is the most painful part, right? Well, Agnes wants to make it the easiest. The whole process is just so simple. You just type in a single prompt, something like, create 5 slides on the future of AI in healthcare. And that's it. Agnes does the rest. It structures the whole story, it writes the content, and it builds you a professional, downloadable presentation in just minutes.
And it doesn't just stop with text. The final piece of the puzzle here is AI design, which brings all your ideas to life visually. You can create posters, logos, even product mock-ups, just by describing what you want. And get this, the AI agents will even look at the draft and suggest ways to improve the color scheme or the layout. It's basically like having a digital designer on call 24/7. So, how in the world does Agnes pull all of this off? A tool that does all this needs some serious tech behind it, and its power really comes down to a few really smart decisions they made. The secret sauce here is that Agnes isn't just one single AI. It's what's called a multi-agent system. The best way to think about it is like an assembly line of specialists. You got one AI agent that's an expert planner, the next one is a researcher, then a writer, and finally a design critic. By having them all work together, they can handle these really complex tasks that would just overwhelm a single AI. On top of that, they made 3 really strategic choices. First, they built their own models, which gives them way more control and keeps costs down. Second, they are laser-focused on mobile, specifically targeting that huge Android user base in emerging markets, a massive underserved audience. And finally, their whole philosophy is an obsession with speed. They want to be the fastest AI product in the world, period. So, you take this powerful product, you combine it with that clear strategy, and what do you get? Absolutely explosive growth. The numbers we're about to see, they're just staggering. The company is already valued at over $100 million. But honestly, that's not even the most impressive number. Check this out. Agnes got 3 million registered users in just 2 months. Now, to put that into perspective, it took Instagram 2.5 months just to hit its first million, and that was back when the market was way less crowded. So how did they do it? It was all viral, organic growth. Their cost to get a new customer is as low as 20 cents per user, which is a number that is just almost unheard of in the tech world. But here's the most important part. People are actually sticking around. Their week 8 retention is at 30%. That's on par with early Facebook. And that proves this isn't just a flash in the pan. The product has real staying power. So, where does a company with this much momentum go from here? Well, the founder's vision goes way, way beyond just being another productivity app. The founder's goal is to build the first great AI-native social network. And that means a platform where AI isn't just some feature tacked on, it's the actual foundation. It's a place where people interact with each other through AI and with AI, creating this whole new kind of social experience. It's a really bold vision, right? It totally reframes AI from just a simple tool into a core part of our digital social lives. And it leaves us with this fascinating question. Is this where we're all headed? A future where our social networks aren't just filled with friends and family, but also with intelligent agents who remember things for us, assist us, and connect us in new ways. Only time will tell.